Hi, this is the Motorola Edge 40 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. Open first the settings the Play Store application, and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished and just let's check the new look of our keyboard, and we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.